Hello boys and girls, and welcome to my home. I'm Nancy, and now I have some free time, which I'm gonna use to read a book. This one. That's the truth, you guessed it right, I love horses. Let's sit down. I'm a little bit hungry. Let's see what we have here. Oh, cookies! Delicious. And something to drink? Oh, I feel so much better now. It's time to put on my glasses. And I'm ready to open my book. Let's see, where were I? I remember. Let's check what happens next. Oh, wow. No way. What's going on? Oh, that's the phone. It's Logan. Hello, Logan. What's going on? Oh, wow. Alright, I'll be ready soon. Bye. Guys, Logan will come soon. Alright, and now I don't have much time. I need to get ready. Come with me. Now please take a look to the right. This is my beautiful horse riding outfit. Hooray! And I need to put it on. Let's first take the socks. Here they are. Left, right. The next part of my outfit are these beautiful white riding pants. The next one is this turtleneck shirt. And my favorite, this blue riding jacket. I'm almost ready. I only need to put on my black leather riding boots, which are so comfy and warm. Let's hang my clothes. And now look down. It's time to take my black velvet helmet. It protects my head and it's cool. And finally, here's my riding crop. Alright. I put my slippers and my clothes back in place, got dressed, and I'm ready to go out. Come on! And now it's time for you to meet someone. Over there. Hello, Tinkerbell! Did you miss me? Oh, you're so sweet! I missed you too! Hey, stop it! Hey, do you want a snack? Okay, right on the way. Here you go, a fresh carrot. Bon appetit! You ate it so fast! Good girl! And now it's time to saddle you. First I'm gonna put the saddle blanket. Then it's time for the saddle itself. As you can see, it comes with stirrups. It's really cool. Okay, let's tighten it and check. Perfect. And finally, let's put on the bridle. Yeah, I know you hate it, but I need to put it on in order to ride you. Here you go. Yeah, you're right. Because you were a good girl, I'm gonna give you a reward. Your favorite, a red apple. Good job, girl. Oh, Logan and Thunder are coming. What you both did was truly amazing!
Hello, Nancy! I'm so glad to hear that! Come on, get on the horse!
Alright, just give me a sec! Come on, Tinkerbell, it's time to go!
Whoa!
Calm down, you don't need to hurry!
It's time for horse riding!
Let's go! Hello, friends! Let's set up my bedroom! Here are the mattress and my beautiful blanket. And now it's time for the pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a gold heart, a silver star, and my favorite blue teddy bear. Now let's add a couple of purple flowers on my wall. And here is my cool nightstand. Let's put on top of it this beautiful lamp. Here I picked some fresh purple flowers. Which smells so nice. This is my journal, where I write everything important to me. These are my cool pink glasses. And of course, my mobile phone. Now let's open the drawer, where stay my cute sleeping mask. That's it. Hello, friend. That's me, Teeny, and I have a free day today. Watch me now. Ta-da! I'm really good at soccer. That's why I'm captain of the girls' team. But now I need a snack. Let's see what do we get. Oh, a plate with crispy cookies and a glass of fresh milk. Here is the bottle. Let's pour. And of course, let's add a little of my favorite chocolate syrup. That's it, the perfect snack. Come on, let's try the cookies. Oh wow, it looks so yummy. And it really is. And now the milk. Oh, I feel so much better now. Let's get back to playing with the bow. Huh? Someone's knocking. Yay, come in.
Hello, I'm Teeny's friend Logan. Hey, hi Teeny.
Oh, hi Logan. What are you doing here? And what is this strange outfit?
This is my special horse riding outfit, and I'm here to take you for your first horse riding lesson.
Oh really? I've always wanted to ride a horse. Hooray! Oh, but hey, I don't have a suitable outfit.
Oh, don't worry, Teeny. I took care of that. Just look to your left.
You took care? To my left? Huh? Oh my, this is a gift box. Let's check it out. It's time for the truth. Oh my, this is the most beautiful horse riding outfit I've ever seen. Let's try. Perfect! Oh, and here we have a suitable black leather boots. Oh, and there was something at the bottom. Here it is, a beautiful black helmet with a pink stripe. That's right, friends. I'm ready for my first lesson. Thanks to my friend Logan. You're the best.
You look amazing. And now, Teeny, we need to go.
Oh, alright, Logan.
Let's go to the horses. And we arrived, Teeny.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look over there. Oh, hello, White Beauty. Guys, this is Bella. My friend Tini is going to ride you today. Hello, my brown friend. I missed you. This is my horse, Casper. Hey, Tini, come on. Jump on Bella.
Really? Oh, I'm so excited. All right.
Good job. You're doing great.
Oh, do you really think so?
Yeah, of course. It's time for your first horse riding lesson. Go, boy. Come on, Tini.
Oh my, I'm so excited. Come on, Bella. Oh, wow. Hey, wait for me, Logan. Hello, friends. I'm finally back home after work. I had an amazing day. And now I want to spend one quiet and peaceful evening at home. My cool sunglasses and my beautiful, colorful bag. Alright, now let's go and sit on the sofa. First, let's take off my pink shoes. And put on these comfy, fluffy slippers. Oh, I feel great now. Huh? Oh, Sparky! Hello, boy! You're happy to see me again? Oh, I'm happy to see you too, Sparky. Come here, boy. That's right, sweetie. It's time for dinner. Fresh water and your favorite doggy's food. Alright, that's enough. Bon appetit, Sparky! And now let's see what my dinner will be. Chicken nuggets with ketchup and slice of lemon, 2 slices of bread, pasta with tomatoes and basil, my favorite chicken salad, and all these fruits for a dessert. Let's start by flavoring my salad with a little of this olive oil, a little of this ranch dressing, and of course a little salt. Okie doke. Now my toast needs some butter. And just a little of this herb. Perfect. And for drink, a glass of my homemade lemonade. Oh guys, this is the perfect dinner. Come on, let's try it out. Yummy! And now it's time for the dessert. And voila, I ate it all. Thank you for the perfect dinner. And now let's clear the table. And Sparky's dishes too. Hey Sparky, I have to go now. That's right guys, we have a work to do. You can come with me. Alright, that over there is my wardrobe. It's empty right now. I'm gonna put inside all my dresses. And I want you to count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's all. I have 11 dresses. And now let's add some of my beautiful shoes. And now it's time to put on my beautiful yellow pajamas. Voila! Guys, it's definitely time to go to bed. Me and Sparky are already in bed. That's right, boy. We wish you all good night and sweet dreams.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Hello, guys. This is Blair's camper. And now let's go inside.
Shh, shh, shh.
Keep quiet. Blair is sleeping. And so the time passed by. This is the alarm. It's time to wake up. Come on, Blair. Huh? Oh, good morning, little friends, and welcome to my camper. Oh no, stop it! Oh, stop it, Sparky! Come here, little boy. You're so sweet. But now it's time to get up. Come on, Sparky. Jump. Wow, that was fast. And now it's my turn. Over there are my comfy blue socks. Here they are. With pom-poms. Let's put them on. Oh, they are so warm. Perfect. On my fluffy sweatshirt is written, "The mountains are calling and I must go." That's so true. And now, the first thing I do in the morning is to make my bed. So come on. Let's start by folding my warm blanket. Then I'm gonna put the pillows on top and take them away. Now look at this button over here. I'm gonna press it and voila! The bed turns into a couch. So cool! We need some pillows. Nice! And now look over here. I'm just gonna pull and ta-da! Now we have a table. Let's put a tablecloth and a vase with fresh flowers. And the first task is done. Now let's roll up my sleeves because I have a lot of work to do. And of course I'm gonna start by making something for breakfast. Come with me. First, let's take my cool red teapot, take off the lid, and fill it with water from the sink. Alright, that's enough. Now I'm gonna put it on the stove. And from over here, I'm gonna take this canister full of tea. And now with this spoon, let's take a little of the tea and pour it in the teapot. Let's pour one more. Alright, let's put back the lid. Put back the canister. And turn on the stove. And now until my tea is ready, I have enough time to cook something delicious. I'm gonna take the frying pan. And inside I'm going to make my favorite breakfast. From this compartment over here, I'm gonna take this bottle of vegetable oil and pour a little of it in the pan. Now let's open this egg box. Take one of the eggs inside and crack it into the pan. Let's take the salt shaker and add a little salt. Perfect! Now let's take this spatula and stir the egg. And meanwhile, let's take a plate and put it on the table. Our fried egg is ready and I can take it out of the pan. And now I need to take these tongs to grab with them these 3 slices of bacon. After 2 minutes, the bacon is ready too. And we can put it in the plate. I'm gonna need a knife and a fork. And this napkin holder. Oh wow, the breakfast is served and everything looks... Oh, that's the kettle. The tea is ready. Come on. And now let's pour the tea in my favorite cup. Perfect! My breakfast is served, and now I'm gonna sit down and eat. Oh, Sparky, I almost forgot you. Don't worry, here's your bowl. And inside I'm gonna pour from your favorite dog food. Here you are. And now guys, I have to say goodbye. It's time for me to eat. Hi guys, it's time to set up my kitchen. Here it is. I need maple syrup, salt, pepper, paprika, and cinnamon. Time for the chopping board. Oh, these measuring spoons. This stir. Grater. And this slotted spoon. And here are the hot plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hot plates. Let's put on top of one of them this teapot. And turn it on. The tea will be ready soon. Now let's open the oven and put inside this delicious cornbread. And turn it on. Alright, and of course we'll need a kitchen towel. And now let's open the lowest drawer and put inside this jar with flour, this one full with sugar, this bottle with olive oil, this one with vinegar, and this chocolate syrup. That's all. And now it's time to open the freezer, where stay the frozen food. Here we have fried chicken with vegetables and egg. This is macaroni with cheese. Yummy, yummy. And this is frozen beef in gravy with carrots and peas. We also have wood-fired pizza, which looks really delicious. A box full with orange ice pops. And this vanilla ice cream. Alright, and now let's start the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Oh my! Guys, the tea is ready. Come on, let's move it away from the stove. And of course, turn it off.
hooray!
Huh? see smokies from the cornbread. Let's see what's going on. It smells really nice. Let's see. As I suppose, our cornbread is ready. That's right, Bucky. Soon we are going to try it. Oh wow, it looks really good. Let's put it on the table. Alright, and now let's go and grab a plate. And cutlery. I'll need a fork and a knife. And this is my dog's bowl. A plate. A cup. Now let's pour the tea. Let's add a little sugar. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. That's enough. And now let's stir well. Bucky, hey! Come over here. It's time to eat. Bucky, this is your favorite doggy's food. That's right. You'll get a lot of it. Here you go. Now let's get a slice of this delicious cornbread. I can't wait to try it. Bucky, now you can start eating your meal. And now it's my turn. Wow, the tea is perfect. Bye, guys.